This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can factory reset this drone. So in order to do that, you will first need to launch settings, next select the About category, and scroll this page all the way to the bottom, and the very last option you'll find is Clear All Data, which is, well, factory reset in its core. So tap on it, make sure that all the data that is important to you is backed up or saved elsewhere, and then once you are ready to proceed, press Clear, and allow some time for the data to be cleared, for all settings to be reset, and, well, for everything to get back to its factory original state pretty much. In order for this process to be finished exactly, you'll need to wait for the aircraft to reboot. So allow anywhere between 15 to 20 seconds for that too. Then press OK button, and that's it. Your factory your aircraft, your drone has been factory reset successfully. Now, if you would like to remove it from your account too, to make it ready for resale perhaps, we have a separate video on it, so make sure to check it out. But as far as this one goes, that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.